Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, not a whole lot of price action today, but it is the day before CPI inflation data, so it definitely makes sense that we had kind of a slow day waiting for that news event. Hopefully, what happens is it continues to make like an overlapping corrective pattern down to one of these lower Fibonacci retracement levels, and then hopefully tomorrow at the news we get a nice big push up so that this is like either an A or 1, and this is either a B or a 2, and then we go up for either a nice wave 3 or possibly a nice wave C. I guess it depends all on whether this over here is really the end of a pullback on the higher time frames or not, on whether this next move up actually is a wave C or is a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.